This is going to be the first Zuma wheel, a new tire that's going to be put back on the front. So I had to take this down to the shop, and it was not cheap, but they did a good job. And I also got a new, let me turn this over. I got a new stem right here for, after 10 years, 10 or 12 years, it doesn't hurt to do that. And this will go back on the front. Now if you're going to do the job right, you come back over here to your bike, okay? You got all your parts together in a little thing. I'm going to put some water in this. Dang it! I'm going to put some clean water in this bucket after I clean it out. And I might even, if I take the time, what you don't want to do is you do not want to break the seal on here. You don't want to break the oil seal, so you got to repump it. So we're not going to talk about that. But the two discs, and those look like they're getting kind of low, but I'm not quite sure. If you take off this bolt, I believe, and this one right here, this right here, you'll be able to pull the disc things off, and you can clean them. And what I like to do when I clean the brake pads is I will get them clean, and then you can use brake cleaner on them if you have any. Or what I like to do is I like to get a little bit of sandpaper over here, and it can be wet or dry. Wet's probably better, but anyway, I'll just show you. You take a little bit of wet sandpaper right here. Cat! $800 cat stuck in my garage. And you go around the outside of the wheel right here. What I like to do is scuff this up a little bit with a little bit of water, and just scuff it up and kind of take a look at it. You don't need to take this piece off or anything like that. Cat! He knows there's some mice in here underneath my wood over there. So, kitty, kitty, kitty. So his name is Lunar. He's a Balinese Siamese. He's worth about 800 bucks. And my next door neighbor got him as a kitten because somebody put him in a vet's place and didn't want him. So, come on, here you go, here. You smell something right underneath here. Okay, you go look. So I'm going to come over here. I'm decided I'm going to take the back wheel off and have it taken it in. After 12 years, I'm going to go and I'm going to clean up these forks, clean up the pads and everything, and put it back together. Now, you could say, well, why are you going to all that trouble? Just wrench the thing on there and hell with it. That's true. You can do that. But the nice thing about having everything clean is that if you do have a leak, when it was clean before, you're going to know it right off the bat. And if you're going to put your bike away for like the summer, like I am, then that's what I want to do. So I'm going to take off, go get him, cat, go get him. I'm going to take off this wheel, take off the muffler, and when I get done with all this and have this done, and there's the other wheel right there, tire, I'm sorry. Had these for 2 years, just haven't got around to it. Then I'm going to replace all the fluids here, spark plug right there, and just get it nice and clean for next year, because in the summer this is all I drive. Cat! Isn't he a pretty cat? He's a Balinese Siamese male. Talk to me. Talk to me. Come on. Say hello. He's so nice. He lives in a house with 2 huge dogs. And since I'm a cat person and my 18-year-old cat died last year in March. He comes over and keeps me happy. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to take this back wheel off little by little, and we'll video that. All right. Thank you.